In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to search for notes in OneNote. If you've ever had trouble finding a specific page, idea, or keyword inside your notebooks, OneNote's search feature makes that process much faster. Instead of manually clicking through sections and pages, you can search directly for the word or phrase you need and jump to the most relevant result. This is especially helpful when your notes start to grow and you're working with multiple sections or long pages. To get started, open Microsoft OneNote online and go to the page where you want to begin. Once you're inside your notebook, take a moment to make sure everything has loaded properly and that you can see the left-hand navigation area. This is where OneNote keeps important tools for moving around your notebook, including the search option we'll be using. Next, look over to the left-hand navigation pane and click the magnifying glass icon. This opens the search panel, which is where you can search through your notes. The search tool is designed to help you quickly scan your notebook content without having to open each page one by one. If you don't immediately notice the icon, just look for the small search symbol in the navigation area on the left side of the screen. After that, click into the search box and type the keyword or phrase you want to find. Try to be as specific as possible, especially if your notes contain repeated words or similar topics. For example, searching for a full phrase may give you narrower and more useful results than searching for just one very common word. As you type, OneNote may begin showing matching results so you can quickly identify the page or note you're looking for. Once your results appear, review them carefully and select the one that matches what you need. This can save a lot of time when you're revisiting meeting notes, study material, project outlines, or any other information stored in your notebook. A helpful tip is to use clear and consistent wording when taking notes in the future, since that can make searching even more effective later on. The more organized your note titles and content are, the easier it will be to find exactly what you need. And that's how to search for notes in OneNote. Once you get used to using the search tool, navigating large notebooks becomes much easier and much more efficient.